Assalamu alaikum. Hope all of you are doing well. Today we are going to learn the use of who, whom, whose. First we will see who. Who is a subject pronoun. Subject he, she, I, we. It is used to specify which person did an action or which person is in a certain state. Examples हैं who is going to cook dinner. Who wants some more ice cream? Now we'll see the use of whom. Whom is an object pronoun. Object क्या है? Him, her, us. It should be used to refer to the object of a verb or preposition. Now we will see the examples. This is my brother whom you met at our house. From whom did you receive flowers? Whose is a possessive pronoun that is used to refer to which person something belongs to. इनकी कोई चीज़ जो है वो किस पर्सन से बिलोंग करती है. एग्जाम्पल्स हैं whose book is this, whose daughter is she. Hope you get it guys. Thank you so much.